Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer without installing any software, just by using Google Chrome, okay, on web browser. But before that, you must have WhatsApp on your mobile phone, on your Android or iPhone, okay. So follow me. First of all, go to Google Chrome and on Google Chrome type WhatsApp web, okay, and the WhatsApp web. And now it's asking you to do something, that open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap menu, etc. So I'm just going to show you, and as you can see, I'm on my phone and going to WhatsApp, then three dots, then WhatsApp web, and just going to click on plus, and it's asking me to scan, and it's scanned, and as you can see that it is now connected in my computer. And now all the contacts that I had in my phone is there, and just scanning a QR code, I'm there to use the WhatsApp version that I have in my mobile phone. And by this way you can use WhatsApp on your Google Chrome browser or any other browser you have easily in this process. And finally, I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.